If you think AI is going to take your job and leave you on the streets, you are thinking too small. You are letting fear control you. And the fear is the fastest way to lose. This is not the first time the world has changed. This is not the first time jobs have evolved. And this is not the first time people have panicked over the new technology. But you know what happens every time? The one who adapt don't just survive, they will thrive. So listen up, because by the end of this video, you are not just going to understand what's happening, you are going to know exactly what to do next. And if you act now, you will be untouchable by the AI. Everyone keeps saying AI will take jobs, but do they even think about what that actually means? If AI replaces workers, those workers lose money. If they lose money, they stop buying things. If they stop buying things, business slow down. And when business slow down, guess what? Even the most powerful companies start bleeding. Let me break this down for you. Companies don't exist to fire people. They exist to make money. If firing too many workers makes them lose money, they will not do it. But AI is smarter, right? No, AI is not smarter. AI is faster. There is a difference. A calculator is faster than you at math. But does that make it smarter than a mathematician? No, it just makes calculation quick. AI does the same thing for work. It speed up the task, not thinking. It execute, but it does not understand. And that difference is exactly why jobs aren't going away. They are just shifting. And if you move now, you are ahead of the game. Let me take you back to the dot-com era, the late 90s, early 2000. The internet was exploding, business started moving online. Suddenly people were saying the internet will destroy jobs. Who need retail workers when we have e-commerce? Print media is dead. And you know what happened? Yes, some jobs disappeared, but what came next? New industries were born. The internet didn't kill jobs, it created web developers, cybersecurity experts, digital marketers, e-commerce managers, social media strategists. The companies that adapted, they become Amazon, Google, Facebook, eBay. The people who adapted, they got rich. AI is the same story. It will disrupt, it will change things, but it will also open the door for completely new careers. You just have to ready for them. Alright, let's be real. Some jobs, yeah, they are on the chopping block. If your job is repetitive, predictable, and purely execution based, AI will take over. That's reality. But here's what most people don't understand. When jobs disappear, new jobs emerge. And the people who get ahead of that curve, they don't just keep their careers, they skyrocket. The biggest lie is that AI will reduce the amount of work in the world. That's completely wrong. Think about it. When factories automated manufacturing, did work stop? No, e commerce exploded. When social media automated marketing, did work stop? No, it created influencers, content creators. AI is just another shift. But work doesn't stop, it evolves. And guess what? Companies are greedy. They don't just want efficiency, they want expansion. They want more products, more services, more innovation. If AI makes things faster, companies will want more. And who is going to do that work? Not AI, the one who understands this early. They get ahead while everyone else is still panicking. So here's the real question. Are you going to sit there worried, waiting for someone to save your job? Or are you going to get up, learn, and take full control of your future? The choice is yours. But I promise you, the one who adapt, they win every time. So what's your next move? Drop a comment below and tell me how are you preparing for the future. Let's talk, let's grow. And if this video woke you up, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's record the future together. See you in the next one.